Welcome to Drive Time, your destination for everything fast, powerful, and iconic in the world of automotive and motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary names in the superbike world, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. A machine known for its brute strength, aerodynamic dominance, and legendary street presence. In this video, we'll explore what makes the 2025 model a masterclass in engineering, speed, and refinement. Legacy of the beast, ZX-14R through the years. The ZX-14R has always stood apart in the Ninja lineup. Introduced as a direct rival to the Suzuki Hayabusa, the Ninja ZX-14R quickly became known for being not just fast, but brutally fast. Over the years, Kawasaki refined its performance and enhanced its electronics while keeping that core essence, a hyperbike built for the speed-hungry. The 2025 model continues this legacy, but with a twist. It's leaner, smarter, and even more advanced. Design evolution, aggression in motion. The 2025 ZX-14R has received a major visual update. It's more aerodynamic than ever before, featuring redesigned dual headlights with adaptive LED technology and a sharper front cowl that screams racing DNA. The new bodywork is sleeker, reducing drag and improving airflow at high speeds. Kawasaki has also introduced new matte and gloss paint schemes with carbon fiber-inspired accents, making the bike look as deadly as it rides. Every curve has a purpose, speed and stability. Heart of the beast, engine and performance. Under the fairing lies a 1,441 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, refined, retuned, but still a monster. Producing close to 210 horsepower with ram air, the ZX-14R doesn't just accelerate, it catapults forward. Kawasaki has worked on the power band to deliver smoother torque across mid and high revs, making highway overtakes feel effortless. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a refined quickshifter, allowing seamless transitions even at full throttle. What's more, the exhaust system has been re-engineered to meet the latest Euro 5+ emission standards, without compromising the deep, throaty growl that ZX fans love. Riding technology, control meets intelligence. Kawasaki hasn't held back on electronics either. The 2025 Ninja ZX-14R comes with an upgraded ride-by-wire system, multiple ride modes, rain, road, sport, and rider custom, cornering ABS, launch control, wheelie control, and a revised traction control system. The new IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit, makes cornering more intuitive, providing real-time stability adjustments. The full-color 6.5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity adds modern convenience, enabling riders to check navigation, call alerts, and bike stats through the Kawasaki Rideology app. Chassis and comfort, a speed demon you can ride daily. The aluminum monocoque frame, carried over from previous generations, provides exceptional rigidity without unnecessary weight. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable 43mm inverted forks at the front and a bottom-link unitrack rear setup. Both have been tuned for better road compliance and sharper handling. Surprisingly, despite its power and size, the 2025 ZX-14R remains comfortable for long-distance cruising. The seat height remains accessible, and the ergonomics are refined for both city and highway riding. It's a rare blend of supersport aggression and tourer-like comfort. Braking power, taming the giant. To stop this high-speed machine, Kawasaki has equipped it with dual semi-floating 310mm front discs with Brembo M50 monoblock calipers and a single 250mm rear disc. Paired with advanced cornering ABS, the stopping power is both confidence-inspiring and consistent, even under heavy braking at high speeds. Who is it for? The ideal ZX-14R rider. The 2025 ZX-14R isn't for the casual commuter or the weekend cruiser enthusiast. It's a machine built for riders who crave velocity, high-speed touring, and technical supremacy. Whether you're taking it to the track or hitting the highway for a cross-country run, the ZX-14R rewards confidence and skill. It bridges the gap between hypersport and sport touring, offering insane performance without sacrificing usability. Final thoughts: a legend, perfected. Kawasaki has once again proven that legends can evolve. The 2025 Ninja ZX-14R isn't just another refresh, it's a tribute to everything the Ninja badge stands for: speed, technology, aggression, and passion. Whether you're a returning fan or a new rider stepping into the world of hyperbikes, this machine will command your respect and steal your heart. Thank you for watching Drive Time. If you love machines that move fast and break barriers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, ride safe and ride fast.